Hello children, today's topic is types of plant. Types of plant. I draw a picture here. Which is this picture? Which is tree or plant? This is the picture of big tree. This is the picture of big tree. Tree means what? And plants means what? I will explain you. Trees. The big, tall and strong plants called trees. Look at the picture. This tree is big, tall and strong. Those plants called tree because they are very tall, big and strong. Their stems are very strong. Their stems color is woody. So their stems are very strong. It's called trunk. So the tree's trunk are very strong. So we call trees. Some trees in round shape. Some trees are very tall. So we will see the name of the trees. Peepal tree. Peepal tree is a very big tree and round in shape. Peepal tree is very strong and big. Also, it is tall. Peepal tree. Banyan tree. Banyan tree also very strong, big and tall. Banyan tree. Another is Ashoka tree. Ashoka tree also in round shape, which is very strong and tall. Some are Ashoka trees also in cone in shape, but this is the Ashoka tree which is round in shape. Another is Gulmohar tree. Gulmohar tree which is very strong, big and tall also. Gulmohar tree. Another is mango tree. You like to eat mango? Mango tree is also very strong, big and tall. Mango tree. Pine tree. This pine tree grows in cold weather. Pine tree grows in Himalaya. Pine tree. It's very tall tree and strongest. Coconut tree. Coconut tree is very tall. Mahogany tree. It is one of the old tree in India. Mahogany tree is very strong, very tall. Their trunk is very strong. Sap tree. Very useful tree. Sap. We use the sap tree for the furniture. Sap tree. It is also very strong. The trunk also very strong. All these trees' names are Peepal, Banyan, Ashoka, Gulmohar, Mango, Pine tree, Coconut tree, Mahogany tree and Sap tree. These all trees are very strong, tall and big. It's called a tree. See here, the trunk of this tree is woody in color. So it's called a trunk. You cannot call a stem. Tree's stems are very strong. It's called a trunk. Now We will see another picture. Shrub. Shrub. Look at this picture. What do you see here? The stems are green in color. And here are lots of flower grows on these trees. Shrub tree. What is this shrub tree means? Shrub tree, those plants are smaller than tree. Those plants are smaller than trees. And little these stems are strong. Some are the woody also, and some are the green in color also. So shrubs, plants, stems are green in color, few are in woody in color. It's called a stem because this stem is not stronger than this tree's trunk. Also, this shrub is small than the trees. So this is the small trees. Most of shrub tree are flower plants. It's called ornamental plants also. All these ornamental plants grow in garden. So we will see the name of the shrub plants. Rose plant. One of the rose plant. We also plant in pot and in the garden also. It is small than the tree. Rose plant is a flower plant. Periwinkle. Periwinkle plants is also small plant than the trees. Their stems also green in color. And very small flowers grow on this periwinkle plant. It's a flower plant. Champa. Champa is one of the flower plant. Little bit strong and tall than the rose and periwinkle plants. It's also champa plants called ornamental plants, garden plants, flower plants. Champa plant is one of the shrub plants. Their stems are green in color and not strong than the tree's trunk. Second is hibiscus, one of the flower plant. You are aware about that. Hibiscus plants also a shrub plant, a flower plant, a ornamental plant also. Hibiscus. Cactus. Cactus is in green color. Lots of thorn in their lip. Cactus is not very tall, strong than the trees. So cactus called shrub plants. It's grow in the pot also. Lemon tree. You are aware about the lemon tree? Yes. Lemon tree is one of the grass. Their leaves are used in teas. So lemon tree is one of the shrub plant. Lemon tree grows in a pot. Tomato. Tomato is one of the shrub plant. It is a very small plant. It grows in a farm as well as in the pot. Ladyfinger. Ladyfinger is shrub plant. Tomato, ladyfinger and brinjal. These are the vegetable plants. These are fruit vegetable plants. Ladyfinger. Ladyfinger's plants also not very strong and not very tall. It is small than trees. stems are not very strong. It is in green in color and it will be little bit weak also. Brinjal. Brinjal is one of the fruit vegetable and their brinjal plants called also shrub plants. It grows in a farm pot also. Brinjal plant is not very heighted, not very tall, not very strong. So these are the examples of shrub plants. Hope you understand the trees and shrub plants. Difference between shrub and trees.